And what? Take some fucking back.
I think he's dead. Are you dead, Trevor? Huh? Are you sure? Can you talk? Give me a thumbs up. Say you're alive.
Oh.
Can you shake your head? Can you move? At least move your head so I know you're alive. Everyone. Well, Brittany Jeffers dead. Not moving. What about you?
Cam, can you please stop fucking recording me? Damn.
It was so dumb.
I love getting people, dude.